Hello everyone. So welcome to new group, NABARD Officer Club. So in this video, we are going to start a series. From the each in the each video, we are going to pick up the one topic and explain that topic in detail. I'm using my own notes, so it would be very handy for you also to create your own notes. So today we are going to discuss about NABARD as an organization, as uh, we as we are preparing for the NABARD interview. So NABARD as an organization, how it is structured, who is the chairman, how many board of directors are there, that at least 4 to 5 names of the directors that you must know, different functions, how NABARD was formed. There are 6 subsidiaries of the NABARD. We will see the 1 or 2 functions and the name of all the subsidiaries, and at the same time we will also see several training institutes. There are 4 training institutes are there. Then see how the NABARD as an institution structures, the management structure or the hierarchy is there, like right from the chairman toward grade A, that is assistant manager. Then these are the subsidiaries. Then we will see how many departments are there, and we will see different or prominent departments which you can quote, because last year also one of my friend was asked, the panel asked him that in which department you would like to work after getting selected. Actually this is not a real question. The question is after that question, that why you wanted to work in that department only and not other department. Okay, so then further we will also see some NABARD Act 1981 Board of Directors number. Then also from the NABARD annual report, I have prepared some write down some fact, like how many ROs are there, training establishment are there, and also the prominent personalities from the agriculture and rural development. So we will see one by one. So let's start with the NABARD. So what is NABARD? So NABARD is a premium development financial institution, or you can call it All India Financial Institution. Why development financial institution? Because it primarily works for the agriculture and rural development. NABARD as an institution, it formed in 1982. It was recommended by a Craficard committee. And who was the chairman of Craficard committee? That you need to mention in the comment section. So NABARD was formed in 1982. So once NABARD actually the name of the committee given here. So B. Sivaraman in 1979, Craficard committee is there. Committee to review institutional arrangement for agriculture and rural development, for institutional credit for agriculture and rural development. So this was the name of Craficard committee. NABARD is a development financial institution, apex or premier development financial institution. So there is a vision statement and there is a mission statement, and there is another preamble which is written in the NABARD Act of 1981. So you know what, you need to have the idea of the all the this vision mission statement of NABARD. Okay, so NABARD is a participative financial. What does it is participative financial, non-financial intervention, innovation, technology and institutional development. Actually NABARD does this for sustainable and equitable agriculture and rural development. This keyword you need to mention. And actually this is a mission statement of NABARD as an institution. So I will explain you once more in detail. Okay, so what you learned till now, NABARD is a DFI. So what is the vision statement of NABARD? Is a development bank of the nation for fostering rural prosperity. So if interview asks you, tell me vision statement, then the next question would be, what do you mean by rural prosperity? So rural prosperity is a very holistic and comprehensive term which requires you to develop the agriculture as well as the non-agriculture, that means farm and off-farm development, and hence NABARD as an institution focuses on the both. It also integrates technological aspects, because NABARD also focuses on the technology. It also integrates sustainability aspects, The climate action and the sustainability is very important for enhancing the resilience of the farmers and overall agriculture system. Apart from this, mobilization of the human resources within the rural India is very important, and providing them the institutional support and capacity building for enhancing their income and to elevate them from the vicious cycle of the poverty. So overall holistic or inclusive development of the rural society, rural India, is fostering rural prosperity. So moving ahead, NABARD was formed by merging the two departments of the RBI, that is Agriculture Credit Department or the Rural Planning Credit Cell. And actually Agriculture Credit Department and Rural Planning Credit Cell, at the same time Agriculture Refinance and Development Corporation, which was a separate entity. So merging all these, the NABARD was formed. The vision statement is Development Bank of the Nation for fostering rural prosperity. Shaji Krishnan V is the current chairman of the NABARD, not deputy managing director. Okay. So this is the vision statement of the NABARD. But apart from it, there is a mission statement of the NABARD that you need to understand. That its core mission is to promote. I just told you its core mission is to, what they wanted to promote. They wanted to promote sustainable and equitable agriculture and rural development. And how they are going to promote this? Through participative financial and financial interventions, innovation, technology, and institutional development. Institutional development, we will see the RRBs and RCIs, that is rural cooperative institutions, and particularly RCCIs, rural cooperative credit institution. So NABARD generally focuses on institutional development of this credit institution, at the same time particularly on the PACs, on the self-help group, and FPO, JLG. So these are the different institutional setup, and the NABARD provides the institutional development. Okay. Further moving ahead, creation of a climate and sustainability vehicle, development of fintech engagement strategy, digitization of the banking service. Okay, it's not that important. Moving ahead. So let's see the hierarchy within the organization. So at the top of the NABARD's organization, we have the chairman, sir, Shaji Krishnan V. NABARD is located at the Mumbai headquarters. So headquarters of the NABARD organization is in Mumbai, and there are several ROs are there, regional offices, which are located in this prominently in the state capital. In Maharashtra, as the capital is the Mumbai, so Mumbai is the headquarters. So Pune MRO, that is Maharashtra regional office, is located at the Pune. Like in Ahmedabad is there. Then these are the development assistant. Okay. NABARD also conduct the recruitment for this post, and officer, like at a lower ladder there is a grade A assistant manager is there, then manager who is a group B, and assistant AGM, the group grade C. So after 3 to 4 years, assistant manager becomes the manager, and manager is also act as a district development manager of a small district, and at AGM level of a larger district or metropolitan city. Then deputy DGM is there. So assistant general manager, deputy general manager, general manager. At the state level there is a chief general manager. So at the state level means RO. RO is the RO headed by chief general manager. In case of Maharashtra, Srimati Rashmi Darad ma'am is the CGM, current CGM of state level MRO. Then executive directors are there, several managing directors are there, even deputy managing directors are also there. In case of NABARD, there are two deputy managing director, and one is chairman, who is Sri Shaji Krishnan V. Okay. Then further, let's talk about this. As per NABARD Act of 1981, Board of Directors, strength of a Board of Directors is 1 plus 16, that is 17 members are there. So one is the chairman and 16 are the other members in the board of directors, or 16 are the other directors are there. 3 from the board of RBI, 3 from the central government, 3 from the state official, one managing director is there. However, in reality there are 2 managing directors, 2 deputy managing directors are there. There is no single managing director. There are 2 full-time members are there, and 3 members are expertise from the rural economics and rural agriculture and developmental and cottage and village industries, etc. Currently, only 10 members are present in board of directors. Shaji Krishnan V is the current chairman. There is no managing director, but 2 deputy managing directors. You must remember the name of the both deputy managing director, Dr. Ajay Kumar Sood and Govardhan Rawat, GR. Sorry, GR. Govardhan Rawat and Dr. Ajay Kumar Sood. From the RBI, ये तो मैम फेमस ही है, डॉक्टर पूनम गुप्ता मैम, डिप्टी गवर्नर ऑफ RBI, सतीश मराठे सर, who also started a Sahkar Bharti NGO in cooperative. Satish Marathi sir is also very famous personality, and Ravindra Dholkia. So Ravindra Dholkia sir, Satish Marathi sir, and Dr. Poonam Gupta ma'am. So if they ask you different names of the directors, then there are 5 directors names which are very handy in nature, like Govardhan Rawat sir, Dr. Ajay Kumar Sood, Poonam Gupta ma'am, Satish Marathi, and Ravindra Dholkia sir. Apart from it, even if they ask you the names of the director from the government side, then you can mention several names. Just a minute. If they ask you from the government side, then there is one name Ashish More, who is a joint secretary in the Department of Financial Services, and T.K. Anil Kumar, who is the additional secretary in Department of Rural Development. So Ashish More, you can remember one name, but it's fine. These 5 names would be sufficient enough. Govardhan Rawat sir, Dr. Ajay Kumar Sood, 1 minute. Ajay Kumar Sood, Satish Marathi sir, Poonam Gupta ma'am, and Ravindra Dholkia. So total, as per the act, total 17 members are there. But however, in reality, there are only 10 members are appointed on the board of directors. So this is a vision statement of NABARD, Development Bank of Nation, for fostering rural prosperity. And what do you mean by rural prosperity? This would be the next question. Always remember this. Okay. So as per the NABARD annual report, there are 32, 28 plus 4 regional offices are there. You must remember all this. Even Andaman Nicobar has the 1 regional office. District offices, there are 507 district offices are there, including the standalone district development manager, as well as the cluster offices are also there. That means from the there is 1 district development manager for the 2 or 3 districts which are adjoining in nature. Then there are 4 training establishments. We will see right now. One is the BIRD Lucknow. Now BIRD, Banking Institute of Rural Development, is located at the Lucknow, where we are going to take the training for the grade manager. But at the same time, there is a BIRD which is located at the Kolkata as well. There is a BIRD which is located in the Hyderabad as well. And there is another institute called National Banking Staff College. We will see that training institute. There are 7 subsidiaries. Right now there are 6 subsidiaries only. The 2 subsidiaries, that is NAP Kisan and NAP Kisan, and they're actually the 2 subsidiaries merge into a single subsidiaries, NAP Kisan and NAP Samruddhi subsidiary. And professional, around 3,163 strength of professionals are there. In fact, even if you see the NABARD annual report, the human resource policy of a NABARD is very efficient. You can see very productive human efficiency, very productive, and the very efficient nature of the human resources are working right now in the NABARD. Because if you divide whatever the turnover or whatever the business the NABARD is doing with compared to the number of employees, then 141 crore is the business amount per employee as per the NABARD annual report. And there is one sub office in the Srinagar. So this is only one exception. Okay, fine. Then if you see, there is a bird at Lucknow, bird at Kolkata, and there is a bird at Mangalore. There is a National Bank Staff College at Lucknow, and bird Lucknow director is Nirupama Mehrotra. Srimati Nirupama Mehrotra. Srimati Nirupama Mehrotra. Then Rashmi Darar, Srimati Rashmi Darar is a CGM at Maharashtra Regional Office. Then sub office is located at the Srinagar. Then there is a okay. So there are 32 departments in NABARD. There are several core departments. I have listed only important one. Farm Sector Development Department. In Farm Sector Development Department, primarily focus on the productivity enhancement, technological integration, the mechanization, especially the promotion of the various renewable and non-conventional energy sources. Then promotion of the natural farming, organic farming, natural resource management, etc. In non-farm sector development, which is also known as rural MSME sectoral development. So non-farm sector development particularly focuses on the micro enterprises, livelihood, and the capacity building programs. There are three main prominent programs in the non-farm sectoral development, which includes MEDP and LDP. That means micro entrepreneurship development